Have you ever noticed that fewer and fewer companies are going public? It used to be every startup dreamed of an IPO ringing the bell at the New York Stock Exchange with ultimate symbol of success, but now even billion-dollar companies are staying private longer or skipping the public markets entirely. So what happened? Why don't companies want to go public anymore? The first reason is control. When a company goes public, it gives you up a lot of power. Suddenly, every move has to please shareholders, analytics, and the market. SEOs can't make long-term decisions without worrying about short-term stock reactions. Staying private means staying in control. Founders can build for vision, not volatility. The second reason is money. There used to be a time when going public was the only way to raise big capital, but that's changed. Private equity firms, venture capital, and even sovereign wealth funds now provide millions of dollars behind closed doors. A startup can raise $5 million privately without ever filing an SEC report. That's why companies like SpaceX, Stripe, and Epic Games have stayed private. They don't need Wall Street's money anymore. Then there's regulation. Going public means constant audits, quarterly report, compliance, and exposure. Every mistake becomes front page news. Many founders simply don't want that level of scrutiny. In the private world, they can move quietly, experiment, and pivot faster without worrying about headlines or lawsuits. Another big factor is market pressure. The stock market become unpredictable, driven by social media hype, algorithmic trading, and emotional investors. For a growing business, that instability is risky. Imagine building your life's work only for its value to drop 30% because of the bad quarter or a tweet. Private companies avoid that choice entirely. Finally, there's a culture. The modern startup scene glorifies independence. Founders want freedom, not public pressure. They would be rather build empires behind the scenes than chase spotlight. The truth is, the new rich don't need the stock market to get rich. They use private funding, crypto, and digital business models that grow quietly but profit massively. So when you wonder why companies are not going public anymore, remember this: the world has changed. The smartest businesses are realizing they don't need Wall Street to win. In today's economy, staying private might actually be the most profitable move of all.